welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna just jump right into it. I'm thinking I'm gonna just do all affordable makeup. I'm going to try to keep everything under, let's say under $15. I know that's such a weird number, but it's because I have something in my head and I know that it's over $10. I was gonna do $10, but we're gonna do under 15. All right, so now that my hair is out of my face, we're gonna go into priming. And the primer I'm going to use first is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. Alright, so the next step that I do is set my primer because I have a very oily, well, not T-zone anymore, but like a very oily eye zone. I don't know. So I'm going to be using my CYO setting powder. And today I'm using a new foundation, which I'm kind of worried that it's not going to come out right, but whatever. This is Makeup Revolution's foundation. I believe this came out like a month ago, and I have it in the color F13. Now when I swatched it, it looked like a good match, but we shall see. If not, I have something that'll help. Oh, I like that. Look, it comes in my, it's like a supersized concealer. I like that. Looks a little bit light. Not gonna lie. Alright, let's try to salvage this and contour. We're gonna bring some color back into my face. So I'm going to use the Black Opal contour stick in the color Black Walnut. It's not looking too bad now, is it? You guys can tell me down below because I still look like Casper. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution again, but this time I'm using the concealer in C12. And I really like this. I tried this before.
Perfect.
Okay, so now we're gonna go back into the CYO setting powder, but I'm not gonna let it stay for long. Alright, and then we're going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Coconut. We're going to use my BH Cosmetics brush from their Studio something line, but I'm pretty sure if you buy the brush individually, it's going to be under 15. But if you buy the whole set, it's over 15. It's like 20. So the brushes individually are going to be under. So that's my little cheat to use this. So I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. As you can see, it has these three colors. There's a contour color. I think this is what, oh, this is for sculpting, so I could have used that for cutting my contour on my jawline. And then there's a highlight, so I'm going to take this color right here, the contour color, and I just use it to contour. And while it's drying, I'm just going to go into this Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. And I'm just going to use this kind of like a highlighter, but it's not going to be my final highlight. I'm just going to put it right there. Let's move on to eyeshadow. Alright, so now you guys are close up. You guys can see my edges under my wig, which is not cute. We are going to first do our brows because they're looking horrendous right now. So I'm just going to brush it. My affordable product is the NYX Tame and Frame Pomade. Okay, so my brows are looking decent, right? I really want to try this new palette that I got, and it matches my hair kind of, like the color scheme and all. It's this Makeup Revolution palette right here. Look at that. This is so freaking pretty. So for my primer, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow primer from Forever 21. I got it for $2. I'm gonna start off with this color right here as a transitioning shade. I want a berry color, so we're gonna go into this color right here. I'm gonna take a Wet n Wild blending brush and I'm gonna go back into that first color. And I'm just going to use that on the outside just to bring it back a little bit. Alright, so now I'm like, I don't know what to do. So I'm going to get a flat brush to pack on some color. And I kind of want to do this color. I'm going to use this color to deepen out that outer corner. I'm going to take this color right here, that light color right there, and I'm going to put it on my lid. I'm going to go into this color right here, and I'm just going to use that as a transitioning shade for in between those two colors. That looks really, really nice. And now I'm going to work on the bottom lash line. I'm so scared to mess this up because this looks so freaking good. Like, I really don't want to do my bottom lash line, but we're going to have to do it anyway. I'm just going to take that last color that we just used, that really pink one. Okay, that's looking really good. And then on the outer lower lash line, I'm going to take that dark burgundy red just to deepen it, you know? Now I'm going to add my black liner. That's from Kiko's for $5.50, and I'm going to add on my lashes from Eylure. It's the collab with Jasmine Brown. I forgot which one it is, but I know definitely those are under 15, so I'll be right back. So now we are going to highlight. I really like this. This is my favorite highlighter. This is from ColourPop, so it is under $15. This one's Au Revoir. I'm going to use Ellery by ColourPop. so now for my lips, I'm going to be using ColourPop's, another ColourPop product. And this is Hennyways from the Ellery collection. So now I'm gonna set my face, and I'm not gonna use what I used before. I have something new that is under, I think it's exactly at $15, or it's under 15. Yeah, this is exactly at $15. This is the Morphe setting spray that I'm so excited to have. So I'm just gonna use this bad boy because I've seen everyone else using it and I wanted it, and now I have it. I feel like a brand new woman. Alright, so this is the finished look. I feel like a cranberry goddess at this point. I really like how this came out. This is screaming, this is fall. This is definitely fall. If you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also hit that subscribe button on your way out. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope to see you next time. Bye! Mwah.